Hey there, Patrick Rourke with MarineMax. Today we're going to take a quick look at a 2026 Cruisers Yachts 50 Fly. Now I love this boat. This is an amazing boat to get the family on and go away for a weekend, or you can actually go over to the Bahamas for a handful of weeks. First thing you're going to notice right here on the transom, we outfitted this one with a hydraulic swim platform. So it does have steps that actuate down as it goes in. So if your tender or your jet ski is off, you can put some snorkel gear, dive gear, you can lower it in, put some chairs. It's a great way to hang out on the water, and the kids can kind of hang out. One thing I do love about this is you have a massive amount of space. Notice the tender sits here and you have a very large walkway, port and starboard, to get around. And again, as a boater, noting it because you can never have enough, massive storage compartment, lockers, everything you need. So you're gonna see we have this one outfitted with the blue upholstery. I think this pops. It's a really good application. Let's jump in and see what she looks like. Hey there, cockpit here. The first thing you're gonna notice, massive overhang. All the seating is completely covered. We do have a nice screen that'll go down for privacy, or if the sun's cooking you. Long table, a lot of spacing, obviously access to the bilge. Access port and starboard side for stationary docks or marquip ladders if we wanted to add it. And then it's the little touch. Check this out. Wireless phone chargers. You gotta have them. You can never have enough. Now as we walk into the galley, you're gonna notice galley aft. So if you're sitting here, you're prepping, you're cooking, you're still a part of the entire conversation. You're gonna have all the appointments you need, ton of storage, and that just effortlessly opens up into the salon here. Large TV, a lot of seating. You probably can sit a dozen people in here comfortably, but the best part is, look at the windows, look at the elevation. Perfect. I'm sorry, it did just rain on us here, but perfect visual all the way around, especially for a captain who's trying to drive the boat. Speaking of, let's look at the helm. This seat will actually spin forward, and when you're not using it, we can spin it, make it part of the sofa. Look at that dash, twin Garmin electronics. You have your joystick that you're gonna have for your IPS 600s in this boat. And then again, a boater, stupid things that I like. I'm gonna slide in here. Access right to the side. Run forward, grab dock lines, whatever we need to do. Plus, ton of wind coming in if you wanted to not drive from upstairs and have it down here. Let's jump on downstairs and see what she offers. So now in the lower corridor, what we're gonna notice is 3 staterooms. Starboard, we have twin bunks. Very beautiful appointments. And then you're gonna have your forward VIP, which kind of feels a little bit more like a second master to me. And that does have an ensuite, which is gonna be connected for the day head. So now we're in the master. Full beam master, beautiful hull windows. Look at the woodwork here. Beautiful appointments all throughout. Ton of space. We do have the washer dryer right here, and they make use of every possible closet space you can. Never have enough closet space. And then of course a settee on the starboard side. So now we're gonna also look at our ensuite that we have. One step up, beautiful appointments. They do a very good job. And again, one thing I do like is the shower is aft. So as you're running the boat, if somebody wanted to take a shower, the water is flowing back into the drain when she's on plane. Let's jump upstairs and see what the bridge has. A few things we missed back here in the cockpit. Beautiful window doors, massive opening here, and then when you want to fully bring the outside in or the inside out, folds all over. And then I do need to point out, port side, you do have an additional joystick control back here. Let's jump upstairs and see what the bridge has. So now we're up on the bridge, and the first thing you're gonna notice, space. Huge lounging area here. 4 or 5 people can sit right next to the captain while he pilots. Look at the visibility. Notice one thing, the hardtop goes forward. That's one thing I love, having all the hair that I have. I love having an overhead that doesn't stop right here at the helm. It goes substantially forward, so if it's raining, sun's blazing, we're not cooking up here. wireless phone charger, all your joystick controls, everything you need. Party center here, starboard side, grill, wet bar, fridge, and then now the party space. You're putting at least 10 people around this seat. You have another dozen people up here comfortably. So when you're running the boat, the captain's not sitting by himself. Let's jump up on the bow and wrap this up and see what else we have. So now up on the bow, what you're gonna see is this thing is set up for you to comfortably be sitting up here while you're underway. 4 people can sit across here. Notice we have grab handles everywhere we can. And then forward, if we wanted to extend the space, now you have aft facing, more of a lounging area. We do have our spots all over to put our carbon fiber poles to have a nice overhang. And then the stupid things, again, that I like, pop-up lights. Little things like that create the ambiance. And then take a look at that. Massive, massive windshield right there, all the way up to that hardtop. Come on down to MarineMax in Clearwater or visit your local MarineMax, jump on the 50 Fly, tell them Patrick Rourke sent you. See you soon.